Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones SENNHEISER CX200. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write Smart Control. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it. Start, allow, next, that's all. Allow. And we did it! Oh, and actually allow Bluetooth also. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!